Bia Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Kejan gwaseme bana rashme bana jaling. Araje bana linga. E update KLR mishalat. Rewe ka South Sudan ka Quick Unified Force. Alaji security ka tin de laslet. Ngay kon Unified Force ka gwase dan. Chat nginjen chaje tok ka chagu jenone de ka laslet. Meshin akula bagay eno de ka laslet. Chetele yo. Ke tele kwak chit ka mech tinde kula kam ke te de kan lat yende kan kula lat ke je re wi ka South Sudan ajen bu kon lingwa same kamana na shala de kuma South Sudan natin kon tin national transitional committee ki national transition de kuma na moment te pindian kamana na jikana lat ka do badan en jikan do bradin jikana le ne jek men ba security ki unified force ba ka laslet ke je re wi ka South Sudan agenda na gore ben nyaka yekel en gwasme ka je lere me be lat ka tung nas ken yam ka kore ba jo lat je ka tung English akan kono ni am jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel don jen chengan yam ko ji ke ken ben gwasme gore jen o jinder subscribe ke der je nyak ba nasin ko ken ka der je lak ka der comment ba ko kore mi si video ci gwech mitem dong de la ka jen lere me men bana lingwa same ler mu gwa mu gone dial no de kan len ko jen dana lep ko ba no mi shaje laslet jen de ti dial kon lat kare wi ka South Sudan de kulo ni am ne ti wan gorgo jen o unified force de je laslet unified force e ma de ne diare wi ka South Sudan de ne te la bon dial den kon ngain ga la ji bon dial kon la party ni de ni ken dial kan chamada cha ko cholo unified force ko ken de ni ti ka de cha ngej ko be kan la ne led wich te rambu ga chon kore chikan bi chon ka dr yung machar chikan bi chon ka serba kem yadi chikan bi chon ka na ramamo muteka pare da mone kan buga chon la ji South Sudan te ganga na we South Sudan ajen en kwa ga chole no ken e national arm ke ga ne te be gang ne we karwade gwasa me man rayu cha kullat gwasa me la general kol manyang juk general kol manyang juk a she do ben ba security ba je lat ke je ke ba je laslet ke je she jalat ajen do bana kwen kelom en duobo mo ki duobo dana chela do nene ajeni nene en point de kol manyang ajeni cha duob cha je ka duobo mo be pet bangwan be kanang ko ba de ni to togon dial ba kule ngej anon ka de ni cha ngej ba ngeke ke ko te mi share le ka kwidien anon ken ba de ni ba ka ngej ngot ken kwingwe ken ne ben ngai kon kwingwe ne no ba jalat karon kina dangraw di jandangro bakal ka pay wero ngora ken ben kwingwe ba unified force amo ki security arrangement ba jeri aleka ka ba de dialwa ba ga tukshit ka ngai kono no constitution ngora kana to ki bon wan man gwarka la permanent constitution kana to antama chaji kullar ne kolma nyang ajene antama chinei kwakten konen ba unified force ba ka laslet ke je ki ba train ke je ba kamrar ke je chinei yo chinei ke je charaje mo chajo kwen kolma nyang ajera ramadan ala chairman ki kwar transitional committee re wika South Sudan ana siala do nene ajene chine yutu shop ke 95 million dollars chine kajek 95 million dollar ki million de jan bangwan widi diech 95 million dollar ki yuru ngwalong kene chine kariale ka ko ba security arrangement ba jelat keje en security arrangement mo ba pet dang bangwan ba kanang pedda mongon baganang lo duo badanen kwa ngi ke jekani kon la unified force ajen pedda bangwan baganang ajen mo kwa 95 million dollar kwa real ke jamo ko ba security mo ba jeri alika general kolmanyang shela do nene ajen unified force e dan e char train wal ajen chupken kine to koru jendang di 150,000 people unified force kine to koru jendie ajane kan ne to kane ko la unified force te ba graduate ala phase en raude ke do ba raude ko me dan cha tan en cha graduate ke cha kamrar ajane entama ne tin ala phase da raude ajane ngora jen ba wala kamrar entama ne teach of ke 150,000 te ba laslet re run kanama ki ka kan pe damong anati kan 150,000 ti kan itin kontin ba nge no kan ba kan nge ko cha yudu ti cha ka jek yudu shop ka 95 million dollar ti kan ni kan tin kontin bala da mo kan to ki ba la da mo ya le ka kwidien 95 million ki million jen mongo ni di ka yudu ngwa long kan ni
150,000 unified force baka yi glass let rewika South Sudan go biga South Sudan bikana kula ganki bikana gwich man biya ngai gwada me sha lene ka let bang you know sha la den wona na ba unified force baka kon ngech atuga ne ka shanga kel ka pai diok ron kine dangro jen dangro diech ala shanga kel me be bena ka jen pai diok wona atene shanga kel ka pai diok ron kine dangro jen dangro diech ba din je to ba ka tu ka minge ke ba training dien ba je tuk wani ka chang ka jen diok ka pai wel kel ron kine dangro wi jen dangro diech munyo de go an wo ko kor pen dang mon dial ba unified force to ba ka yinge ken dial ka ne ten kon ten ba mal ba ja to wano re wi ka South Sudan chuda me kuol manyang juuk ramlan la general ki chairman dung national committee national transitional committee re wi ka South Sudan chela do ne ba ne ti ba ka yik ngej ka ba kamrar ko be kan South Sudan be kan agang anguda kan queen gwine kan na ben jawraj mo cha ja kwen gor jeno ba ja kwen ya ka tuk ingli ka do dan sha non ka ja bi rodu shupal pin ko bi rodu leng dor. The chairperson of National Transitional Committee NTC has outlined it is $95 million work plan to complete the security arrangement within 9 months starting March 2025. General Coleman Yang said the NTC or National Transitional Committee and all the security mechanisms have worked out the action plan for the training of at least 150,000 forces in phase 2 with a total budget of $95,415,588. General Manyang which is also presidential advisor and head of government delegation to the Tumana Peace Initiative, made the remark ahead of the commencement of a 2-year transitional period on Saturday. According to him, the training process is expected to start at 1st March through to 30th November of the year 2025, addressing 38th plenary meeting of peace monitoring body, revitalized peace. On Thursday, General Manyang said funding of the plan is crucial and urgent needed within the specified time frame. The National Transitional Committee and all the security mechanisms have worked out the action plan for the training of the list of at least 150,000 unified force in phase 2 with a total budget of $95,415,588. I am working with NTS board members to bring to the attention of the leadership of this country the president that funding of plan is crucial and urgently needed within the specified time frame. We have 9-month time frame, 1st to 30th November 2025, to do the job, and we have day ahead to get the fundings. The National Transitional Committee chairperson has assured that a stakeholder of transparency and accountability in the use of budget. He added that the committee is working on rules and procedures governing the operation and management of the fund. We are currently working to produce a new rules and procedures governing the operation of NTC and management of fund. This is to ascertain transparency and accountability. In August 2024, the outgoing interim chairperson of peace monitoring mechanism revitalized peace agreement, say most of the necessary unified force in training and containment site had deserted their bases due to lack of food, water, shelter, and medicines. Ambassador Charles Tai Gatwa revealed that since the graduate of 53,000 unified force in the phase 1, only 7% of the 83,000 combating have been deployed. Gatwa added that majority of the graduate forces and those yet to be trained were left waiting in the containment site without the basic necessities. He said the high condition, according to the peace observers, has forced most of them to abandon their camp. Mr. Gatwa attributed the delay in the deployment and commencement of the 21st of training to continuous lack of funding. Commencement of the 22nd of the second phase of training to the continuous lack of funding. Neme agenda na shalat akume men raika wudame wooden shual ke kuol manyang juuk chairperson national transitional committee ke jene senior presidential advisor bare wike South Sudan eno cha phase 2 cha jetok
agenda na bana lingene me kene ke ready ko bi ken mal bi ken jat wana ko ba unify force ba je train agenda na shala ne me ene bi amdo din bi ale ling ban te mal bye bye